Hello, my friends, and welcome to our channel, My Simple Remedies. Are you worried about your tummy going out of control? Then keep watching because I'm going to share with you my secrets of having a flat tummy in just 7 short days. Yes, you heard it right, just 7 days. You just need to be patient and keep watching this video. Tummy fat not only looks bad, but it also is bad for your health. It can cause many health issues such as stroke, heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. I'm going to give you a routine to follow for the whole day from the time you wake up to the time you go to sleep. These tips will cut down your belly fat fast, only if you stay consistent and dedicated. So, let's not waste more time and start losing our belly fat fast. Before we go ahead, please push that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome life hacks and videos from me. Done? Let's go. Number 1. Lemon water. First thing in the morning is to drink lemon water. To make it, take a glass of warm water and add the juice of 1 lemon to it. Lemon water is the best way to lose belly fat. Lemon water will detoxify your body and will help you losing belly fat. It will also help increasing your metabolism as it cleanses the liver. Number 2. Stay hydrated with infused water. Dehydration does not only cause headaches, but it also causes weight gain. You need to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day so that your body can flush out the toxins. This way your body will not be bloated and you will be hydrated. It is even better to make an infused water drink, which will increase its benefits. To make it, slice up 2 lemons, 1 medium-sized cucumber, and 10 to 12 mint leaves in 12 glasses of water. Stir it well and then store it in the fridge for at least 4 hours before consuming. It is even better to store it overnight and then drink it the next morning. This way, all the benefits of cucumber, lemon, and mint will be fully infused in your water. It's highly beneficial in nutrients, as well as certain plant compounds and antioxidants that may help treat and even prevent some conditions. Also, cucumbers are low in calories and contain a good amount of water and soluble fiber, making them ideal for promoting hydration and aiding weight loss. Number 3. Get moving and get some fresh air. Put on your running shoes and go for a jog or a run for at least 30 minutes. Walking or jogging in the morning will help you burn more calories faster when you eat your first meal. It will refresh you, deliver fresh oxygen to your brain and muscles, and will jumpstart your metabolism. Go for at least 30 minutes jog or run. You should do 10,000 steps daily to burn calories effectively. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is one of the most important workouts to burn fat faster. You need to work out only for 15 to 30 minutes a day. Jog as fast as you can for 10 seconds, followed by slower jogging for 12 seconds. Do as many repetitions as you can for 1 to 3 minutes. So, my friends, these steps will only be effective if you're consistent and motivated. I promise if you stay consistent and follow these steps for 1 week, you will completely lose your belly fat. If you liked my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.